Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show how you can blow out your hair. First, I'll be detangling my hair and sectioning my hair into 4 parts. So you can apply any of your favorite hair protectant or serum before you start. Here I'm using the curling brush. So you should wrap your hair towards back, pass slowly towards the ends, and after each pass I use my fingers to get that perfect curl. You can turn it at the tips and let it go for that perfect blowout look. I am going to wrap around the roots multiple times. Then I'm gonna curl at the ends. Then I'm just repeating and curling all the sections. I'm using a hold spray so that my styling will last for a longer time. And I'm using my favorite serum for the upper sections. Make sure that you do not wrap more than once. If you wrap more than once, hair will get stuck. You should do the exact same thing you just did to get that perfect blowout look. I suggest you guys to watch the complete video so that you guys can observe how I style each and every section. Once you know how to do this, you will never visit a salon for hairstyling. I hope this was helpful for you. For more styling tips, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.